Hey guys, it's Josh with JC Landscaping back with another video. So show up to mow a customer's property and to get into the back. She recently had a brand new cedar fence put up. Very, very nice. And check this out. I open the gate and it literally falls on me. They kind of cheated on the side here. This 2x4, get you a wide angle so you can see, it is not even connected to the 4x4 post. So, and then they used a 2x that they ripped in half to make it 2x2, and you know, it's not even straight there as well. But yeah, I opened the gate and it literally fell on me. So what they used is these little itty bitty bolts for the hinge right here. Those screwed into, only one of them screwed into this 2x4. The other two were completely unused. The bottom, I take that back. The top one was being used. The middle one was right here in this space, and the bottom one was right here into this 2x4, which is only secured by one screw. Down at the bottom, how many of the screws were going in? 1, 2. The middle one was not even being used. So yeah, I instantly stopped what I was doing and notified the customer what was going on, so I did not get blamed for this. Clearly, I did not knock it off the hinges. I opened it and it fell on me, guys. If you ever run into a case like this, instantly stop what you're doing and notify the customer. I mean, I have insurance if need be, but I didn't do this. I opened it and it fell on me. Clearly, you can see the shortcuts that were taken on this. This panel right here goes here on the side of this 4x4. This piece is what goes here on the front. So yeah, if they would have put lag bolts in there, put another piece 2x4 here, 2x4 there, replace that one with a 2x4, and put in 6-inch lag bolts through the 2x4 into the 4x4, it's golden. So they took a shortcut, and this is what you don't want to do, guys. I don't put up fencing. I mean, it doesn't look that hard to do, but yeah, that's definitely a shortcut there. So as I said before, if you run into this situation, stop what you're doing, let the customer know what's going on so you don't get blamed for it. If you can, guys, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there. Look out for one another, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.